Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Tesla Model S door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal kit and a set of Torx bits. Safety is paramount, so begin by safely disconnecting the 12-volt battery. This crucial step prevents any electrical mishaps during the process. Next, carefully remove the interior door panel, which will grant you access to the internal components of the door. Now, let's focus on removing the old handle. Begin by carefully detaching all electrical connectors linked to the handle assembly. These often have small clips, so be gentle. Next, locate and unbolt the handle mechanism from the door frame itself. There are typically a few bolts holding it in place. Once unbolted, you can carefully extract the old door handle from its housing within the door. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new handle into the door frame opening, ensuring it aligns correctly. Once in place, secure it using the appropriate bolts you removed earlier, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, meticulously reconnect all electrical wiring to the new handle, ensuring each connection is firm and secure. We're almost done. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are properly secured. Once the panel is back in place, reconnect the 12-volt battery. This will restore power to your vehicle. The final and most important step is to thoroughly test the new door handle for proper function and alignment. Make sure it opens and closes smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.